ROQ has been building textile gas ovens in the European market for over 33 years. In that time, the ROQ Tunnel has widely become known for its quality, efficiency, and durability. ROQ's new model of tunnels are built even better to address the high-speed plastisol printing of the US print market. Increased insulation helps the dryer maintain a hotter temp inside with more efficient gas usage while maintaining a safe and cool outside skin. ROQ increased the insulation in the top of the dryer as well as making changes to the bottom chamber. ROQ tunnels have become known for how easy they are to access and clean. The new insulation format still allows for the side panel to be removed for easy access to clean the dryer. The bottom insulation panel can be removed, allowing for easy access to the dryer for the filter cleaning. These new changes are available on new market dryers, but are also available as upgrade options for current market dryers as needed. The new ROQ tunnels also have some more additional features, such as a taller chamber increased to over 5 inches, which is created for better handling of hoodies and taller items. For belt adjustment, ROQ's smart tracking technology allows for easily adjusting the belt for quick alignment and marks the best tracking position to quickly get back to that spot. The new control interface is intuitive and can be used for startup and cooldown mode, as well as programming recipes for different changes and on-the-fly changing from plastisol to water-based, discharge, or polyester printing. This is available in Celsius and Fahrenheit mode. Recipes can easily be pulled up and changed on the fly. The burners used on the new tunnels are more powerful for faster heat up and more consistent temperature while maintaining high efficiency. The new burner setup also helps with gas pressures that are different throughout the country and fluctuate throughout the time of the year. Finally, check out the new warm-up mode. This keeps the hot air inside the dryer by slowing down the belt as the temperature rises. Once you're up to temp, the belt speeds up automatically and you're full speed ahead. Is the ROQ Tunnel the next new dryer in your shop? Check out more at screenprinting.com.